Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning back. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about this awesome HoliYAY sale that's going on Plum Goodness, and I have picked myself some very awesome winter skincare products for myself. So if you are interested in knowing what I have in here, so please keep on watching. Before we begin diving into all of these great products, let us talk about this beautiful sale that's going on Plum Goodness. So Plum Goodness is hosting their yearly Christmas sale, which is called as HoliYAY Sale, which starts today and ends on 21st of December. So the sale is there for 3 days and you get awesome deals up to 40% off on so many nice products. And let's begin with my favorites from Plum that I use for my winter skincare. So I come from a dry skin type, so I have to use a cleanser which is really gentle on my skin and does not strips off my natural oils of my face. So for that I use this particular product right here. This is Plum's E-Luminence Cleansing Balm. So this comes with a spatula like this, and the consistency is so nice. It actually melts all your makeup as well, but I use it instead of soap to cleanse my skin every single day. So this is how the consistency is. This is really good and gentle skin cleanser that you have. So do give it a try if you have dry skin and you don't want to use soaps and face washes, every now and then on your face. The second thing that I do to actually cleanse my skin and take care of my skin is basically use this mask also from Plum Goodness. It is chamomile and white tea clay mask. Now the consistency of this mask is also so good. It dries down really quick. I mean, it doesn't take forever to dry. The consistency is nice and thick, and you don't need to add anything in this. I mean, you just take it and put it on your face, leave it on for 10 minutes and you are good to go. And it smells, oh my god, this smells so amazing. I really love them. This one retails for 490. You have to use it like once a week to clean your face. The clay actually removes all the dirt in your pores and everything and keeps your skin nice and tight. The third product that I really love, and I have started using this very recently, is Grape Seed and Sea Buckthorn Glow Restore Oil Blend. It has 10 plus ingredients in it which are so good for your skin. I've used quite a bit of it. I use this every night before bed. So I cleanse my face with E-Luminence Balm and then put this on, and that's all my skincare that I do these days at night. As you can see, the consistency of this one is nice and not very greasy. I'll just quickly show you how nice and fast does this get absorbed in your skin and leaves a nice natural glow. So these are my top 3 favorite products. So if you buy any of these products and if your cart value is more than 899, you also get a gift from Plum Goodness, which is this Body Love Beachin Round Duo. It comes with a body mist and a body shower gel. I really love the fragrances of both of these. Good to travel with. So if you buy anything worth more than 899, you get this combo free. So yeah, that is all the products that I have from Plum. Don't forget to check out my link down below in the description box. I am going to link the sale down there, so do check it out. So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.